Okay, everyone, 98 Mixter here. I'm back. I missed you all. I haven't been making videos for a long time. Happy Easter to all of you. It's Dreamworks Dragons, Riders of Berk, Part 1 on DVD. No, I never watched that series before. More dragons and more adventures. When it comes to action and excitement, the sky's the limit in this high-flying animated adventure based on the Academy Award-nominated movie How to Train Your Dragon. This two-disc set includes 11 thrilling episodes: Dragon Tucker Part 1, Evolution of Thunderdrum, Heavy Metal, Dragon Nation, and World of Dreamworks. All rights go to just this scene on cartoon made by 20th Century Fox in front the spine. Let's open this up. Okay. What'd you say again?
I have to make a lot of noise. Can you pause it?
After this.
I have to go to work.
Here's some Dreamworks Dragons toy. And here's a pamphlet for Dreamworks Dragons Defenders of Berk. Some cards. Here's the School of Dragons. Let's get into this. Here's Dreamworks Dragons Riders of Berk. Part 1, Disc 1. And Disc 2. Here they say. It was an awesome. Thanks for watching. Hope you join us. Bye.